In this video, I will demonstrate ShellcodePack's ability to generate Python payloads that execute a given shellcode. This can be useful in the case of assumed breach scenarios where PowerShell is more likely to be monitored than Python. In ShellcodePack, I will choose x86 as the target architecture. This will allow us to provide both a 32-bit and a 64-bit shellcode, executing one or the other depending on the Python runtime architecture. Finally, in output format, I will select Python source code. The source code will contain our shellcode and execute it in our Python process. Now, I will move to the second screen. First off, we can here select a bypass profile, which will apply option combinations known to work best against specific EDRs. I will be targeting a Bitdefender system, so that's what I will choose. Since the Python launcher will execute a shellcode, we have access to the usual shellcode customization options, such as encryption, ETW disabling, slowdown stubs, and more. We also have access to options specific to the Python launcher, such as the shellcode execution method, delays, window hiding, expiry or start date, and more. Now, I will generate the payload and go test it. I am on my target machine, where at the current time, Bitdefender is running. On my C2 machine, Sliver is awaiting a connection. In order to execute my Python payload, I need a Python runtime, which I here install from the Windows Store. With Python now installed, I can double-click on my payload to execute it. After a few seconds, Sliver picks up on a new session showing our shellcode was executed. This without Bitdefender noticing anything. Thank you for watching this short demo. You can visit SliverExecute.py if you are considering obtaining ShellcodePack or MacroPack, and you can follow our Twitter and LinkedIn for news and updates about what we do.